Yeah guys, this is Manoj. I'm going to unbox this package. I got it from shopclues. Let me see what I ordered. See, micro USB cable, and it is about 50 rupees. Yeah guys, let me open up this package. See, after opening this package, this is inside the cover. Yeah, let me take out the USB cable. Let me check this out. See, and this is the, yeah, see this zinc cable, and we check whether it is whether it's work or not. Yeah, let me check it. See, the LED blinks on this, and my power bank is charging. Yeah, the cable works fine. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video.